central Spokane County in northeastern Washington until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds of around 55 miles per hour. Hail to the size of dimes are likely. This storm was located 8 miles west of Suncrest, or 18 miles northwest of Spokane, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Spokane, Airway Heights, 9 Mile Falls, Deer Park, Mulwood, Town and Country, Fairwood, Suncrest, Chattaroy, Mead, Dishman, Country Homes, Fairchild Air Force Base, Trentwood, Reardon, Opportunity, Fort, Deep Creek, Colbert, and Tumtum. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Lincoln, Spokane, and Stevens.